What is up to my Bree gang? What is up to my Bree squad? It is your girl Bree and Bree.
And it's your girl Tisha.
And we are back with another freaking video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the Bree gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. I know y'all see that thumbnail. I know y'all see that title. So y'all already know what we coming with, okay? Today, we are going to be trying the Kentucky Fried Chicken donut chicken sandwich, okay? We have not opened them, you know what I'm saying? So, we wanted to open it with y'all. The only thing we see is the wedges. Yeah. So, I'm going to start off with the fact that it does come by itself, or you can get the meal, and they also have where you can get just a donut for $1, or you can get an order of donuts and some chicken strips, okay? So they do have all those different options, you guys, but we decided to get the meal. Each one of us, we got one donut sandwich apiece with a Mountain Dew. We both got Mountain Dew, and it's the medium drink, I guess, and a small thing of wedges, okay? So this ran us, the whole thing together, this ran us $17.30, okay? So we're gonna see if it's worth it. They said they served hot. This box ain't feeling too hot, okay?
Yeah, kind of
warm, not hot. Man. So let's see. We looking at this first with y'all. Oh, hold on now. This looking fancy, y'all. Y'all. Look, babe. Y'all look, but look.
Damn.
Look at it, y'all.
This, I don't know.
It ain't sloppy, I'll tell you that, but it's y'all. This stuff looks delicious. Okay, it's perfect. Let me look up under the hood. Okay, I'm saying under the hood, but I'm saying like under this first donut. This ain't no chicken strip. This is a chicken breast. Yeah. I thought it was chicken strips on there, y'all. Okay, so look. I'm trying to show y'all before I demolish it. Look, it's a whole donut. And it's a chicken breast, okay?
I'm ready to taste it.
All right, y'all. So we about to dig in. We finna taste it. I need to get me a little drink.
I'm hungry, so it might be good either way.
Well, this is supposed to be our dinner, y'all. So we're gonna see how that goes. Hopefully it's good.
Sweet. It's gonna be sweet. It's so much glaze. Look at that. Oh, I don't even know.
I don't even like stuff like this. Hold on, y'all.
Wow, bro.
Be prepared. They glazing. Don't say nothing, babe.
What do you think?
Okay. It's kind of like, I don't know if y'all ever had this, but when I get breakfast from Chick-fil-A, it's kind of like eating those chicken minis with some honey.
Yeah.
You get that chicken taste, but it's that sweet taste with it. It's just fucking good. They done did something with this, y'all. It's good. Okay.
Not bad. Messy, but
oh, it's messy. I got a lot of the glaze down in the bottom.
Yeah, I just
you got it all on the table. It's good, y'all. Let me put a wedge with it. I can feel it. I feel it on my chin. It's kind of like, it would be like, I guess like having a McGriddle or something, because it's some meat and then it's kind of sweet in the bread, you know?
Yeah. Oh my.
Oh, good. Especially for me, because I don't normally like sweet stuff with regular stuff. I don't like chocolate covered strawberries and stuff like that. I don't like none of that fruit with chocolate.
We got barbecue and hot sauce. I like hot sauce on my wedges. But
there's too much going on.
I'm too occupied. But they're soft. The donuts are soft.
When they say served hot, I guess. I said my box didn't feel warm, but they hot.
Yeah.
It's hot. And it's good. Y'all sparkle laid out.
I wonder if this... I wonder what kind of donut they use.
Must be them Chinese donuts.
And then I wonder if they pour the glaze.
Best one.
On her.
They poured some. They had to pour some of this glaze on her because it's a lot. I guess they're trying to make sure you get that sweet too. Good though, y'all. Y'all gonna have to go get y'all one.
Yeah.
And I will get the meal. $17.30. I guess it's worth it.
Man.
It's sticky though. And you're gonna make a mess.
Is you making a mess? Guess it's just me, y'all.
I had dropped some, but I picked it up. Oh, excuse me.
Hot sauce on KFC wedges. Bomb.
Yeah.
Bomb. Look at you. Yeah.
Good food. I might give you a wedge, but you can't have no of this sandwich. Wedges complement it kind of well, that saltiness. But I'm the one that eat. I'm the type of person that eat something sweet and then need some chips or something. Dang, I'm gonna go give me some more of them chips, man.
Did you? I would have been good.
Oh, we.
You almost done, bud.
You almost done.
Get your mouth.
Yeah, I'm eating. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. Okay. Look at shit, y'all. Shit kiss me anyway. Can't lie to y'all. Y'all know I ain't finna lie about no food now.
I know.
If it's nasty, we would have been put it back in the bag. I probably would have been trying to get my money back.
Really bad. That's a big old wedge.
See, I love chicken. Tell us how y'all day was.
You know?
My day was okay.
I just got off. I'm ready to lay down.
We having problems with the air.
Yeah, it's kind of warm. I mean, we got the fan, baby.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all heard a fan. I put it on low, but we got a fan on because we've been having problems with the air.
And they need to come on.
They coming in the morning. I told them, I said, baby, bright and early. Because my child, Sparkle, is going to be here. And I don't need her overheating. She won't lay in her bed now. She laying on the wood floor.
Floor, yeah.
Because she hot. I think I had enough donut, y'all.
Yeah. I thought I had some meat. It was all donut. But it's good, man. It's a donut. Boy.
You full?
I'm trying to finish them wedges, though.
Well, just sparkling wedges. You full?
I'm gonna eat them.
Tell her to give you some of them wedges, Pooh.
No, we good over here, dog.
Bang. They're gonna get some comments behind Sparkle. See, that's why she thinks she's slick. She put hot sauce on hers, so she ain't have to give her none.
No.
Well, I can give her mine and eat some of yours.
Babe, why you over here in my area?
They better when they somebody else's, ain't that Tisha?
Yeah.
Everything of mine she eat.
That's
but if she
right.
got it herself, she wouldn't eat it.
That's right. It tastes better when you have it, baby.
Whatever.
I'm very surprised at this. I don't really like stuff like this. Like when I had like the hamburger and donut. See, I would never. I would never try that.
We only tried this for y'all because if I.
Yeah.
I'm at home.
That's it.
If somebody hadn't asked me to, I wouldn't have. It's alright though. Cause who said they were gonna do it? Rosa?
I don't know.
I think Rosa had brought this up.
A hot sauce though. It has to be served hot because if it was cold, it wouldn't be good. The glaze would be dry. So.
Well, it's kind of like Burger King used to have cinnamon rolls. No, they still do. You can tell they warm theirs up. Y'all look at my hands. I'm gonna have to scrub
tell you
them.
what they look like.
Come.
Babe. She bad.
Come here, girl.
Number one over here.
No.
Yeah.
Nicole talking about my favorite two freaks.
You should have got a damn medium.
And hot sauce.
Yeah.
So look, I ate all my chicken, but I got donutted out, y'all. Okay, I left a little bit. The donuts are good. They're perfect. Okay, I don't know about everywhere, but the one over here in the Addison, Dallas area, what road is this? Spring Valley? Tollway Spring Valley? This thing good. It's just how they promised it on Twitter. Cause that's where we saw it at, on Twitter. It's exactly how they said it would be, y'all, and it's the bomb. I ain't even gonna lie to you. For somebody who don't like stuff like this mixed together, it's the bomb. Y'all should try it. Y'all really should. Get you some wedges with it, okay? Get you some wedges. You thought it was perfect?
It was good. I just have a little.
She didn't make such a mess. All right, y'all. Hold on. Oh, excuse me, y'all. But anywho, so we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. They were perfect. I think it's worth a try. Make sure you get you some wedges. Don't get this without no wedges. You gotta have something to kind of balance it out, I feel like.
Wouldn't eat it again, but it was good.
No, I wouldn't get it again. I wouldn't get it again. It was good, but I don't care for stuff like this all the time. It's kind of, the donuts was real rich because of all of the cream, which some people will like if they have a bad sweet tooth. I have a bad sweet tooth, but I can't eat this all the time. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye.